Hello guys, today I will show you how to install Azure Active Directory using PowerShell on Windows. First of all, we have to open PowerShell in Administrator and then we have to check the version. Currently we are running version 5.1. Then one by one we have to execute these commands. We'll execute the command install module Azure AD and wait for the completion. Then we will execute the command install module Azure AD Preview. In my computer I had already installed the Azure Active Directory module, but in your case it will show you the process of downloading and installing completed. Now we will run command get module Azure Preview. Then we will run the command to connect the Azure. We have to log in with global admin account. Now you can see I logged in using admin account. Now I will execute another command get command module Azure. So it will show me the list of commands which are getting used in Azure Active Directory. With the more option shows us more detailed commands. If we want to check the property for the members or users, we will run the command get Azure AD user get member hyphen member type property. It will show us the complete list of the properties available in Azure. So if we want to check the display name, you can see the display name is available here in the property. We will call this name or this property to show the name. We will use display name property with the get command get Azure user AD command to show the name for particular user. I will type all these commands in the description section of this video so you can copy and paste directly in your terminal. As you can see, we got the user information direct from Azure Active Directory using the PowerShell. That's it for today's video. In next video I will show you how to download or export user from Active Directory to CSV file in your computer.